So ito guys, delete na guys. Confirm na siya. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. At ngayon mayroon naman akong i-share sa inyo na tutorial video how to delete your Google account or Gmail account permanently. So ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon guys na paano ako mag-delete sa Google account permanently guys. Ito na guys. First, pupunta tayo sa sign in. Mag-sign in muna tayo sa Google. So dito guys, Google login, sign in, Google account. So click natin to. Ito ang aking email account. So click natin to. Then tapos enter your password. And click next. Oh, mistake. Enter your password. So dito guys, so makita natin dito, mayroong home, personal info, data, and personalizations, security, people, and sharing. So yan. So click natin to guys, data of personalization. So dito, scroll down natin. Download, delete, or make plan to your data. Here guys, delete a service or your account. So dito guys, delete for your account. So click natin to guys. Delete. Okay. Delete a service or your account. You can delete a specific Google service from your account like YouTube or Gmail. Mayroon din dito guys, delete your Google account. You can permanently delete Google account and all your service and data like emails and photos. So mayroong choices naman dito. Delete a Google service or delete your Google account. So ito guys. So first, ang sa akin, i-delete ko muna ang Google service. So delete to. And password. So ayan guys, delete a Google service. A Google account offer many service. Some of these service can be deleted from your account individually. So guys, I delete ko to YouTube ko at saka ang Gmail ko. So delete, enter password. So ayan guys, remove YouTube content, delete your content from YouTube. I want to permanently delete my content. So click this, check, and delete my content. Enter mong email address. Okay, delete my content. Yan guys, remove your content. Your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanent delete. Usually this take a few minutes but can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. Okay, and then we go back to delete my account. So wala na dito guys, na-delete na siya. Okay guys, tapos dito na tayo sa Gmail account natin. I-delete naman ko to guys. Click delete and then enter an email address. Okay, enter ko yung email address. So guys, Yahoo email address ko to guys. So yan, send verification email. So enter your password. Click. Ayan guys, delete a Google service. Delete again. Enter muna ang email ko. Okay, send again. Verify your new Google account email address to remove Gmail. In order to verify your request to delete your Gmail account, we have sent a message to my Yahoo address guys. So please follow this step. Click the email account listed above. Open the message from Google with the subject line Gmail deletions confirmations. Click the link provided in the message to verify your request. Okay, got it. So yan, delete na. Tingnan natin kung delete na ba sa email ko, sa Yahoo email ko guys. Yahoo. So punta tayo sa Yahoo Mail para makita natin kung mayroon na ba o wala. Yahoo Login. Ay, ito na guys. Here you go. 1 mil. So, nandito na guys. Google. Deletions confirmation. Here we go guys. Gmail deletions confirmation na guys. We receive a request to permanently delete Gmail from your Google account. Once Gmail is deleted, you won't be able to send, receive, or access previous emails from your Gmail address within 2 business days or of your request. Your Gmail address will be deleted. So to this guys, ma-delete ang permanent delete yung Gmail address mo. Gmail account pala. If you don't want to delete Gmail from your account, please ignore this message and your Gmail data won't be lost. So ito guys, delete na guys. Confirm na siya. So that's it. My tutorial video guys. So sana nakatutulong sa inyo tong tutorial video ko. Kung kayo ay bago pa dito, sana din mag-subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel ko para ma-verify kayo sa mga susunod kong mga video guys. So thank you so much guys and God bless. And see you next time guys. Bye bye.